What's up, everybody? Welcome back, my human made family, my Storm Cowboys. Welcome back to another video. Feels good to make another video for y'all. I've been very busy. Every night I get off work, shower, eat, make a video, edit a video. I'm working my ass off. I told y'all I'm staying true to it. It's a lot of work, man. I'm telling you, but it's gonna pay off in the end. And I don't mind it. I have fun making these videos. But like, comment, subscribe down below. Greatly appreciate it. Help me get to 1,000. If you like what you see and you want to see more, because I got a lot of dope shit coming. Trust me, I got a lot of dope shit on the way. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I drop a video. Since I'm making more videos, I'm dropping them like randomly throughout the week, but I'm still dropping on Sundays. Like big videos, they may come on Sundays. Because I gotta start y'all week right, starting that Monday. So the big videos gonna come on Sundays, so your Mondays can go well. That's just how I see it. But anyway, I greatly appreciate if y'all can subscribe if you like the content. Also, follow me on Instagram at mac11.exe. I'll greatly appreciate it. Link down below in the description if y'all want to follow me. But anyway, week 3, Human Made 2021 Spring Summer. It was a bland week. Another bland week. Nothing really exciting. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, I bought some stuff. I'm gonna just tell y'all what I bought in this cop. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. This is gonna be a very short video. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get right into week 3 2021 spring summer drop. Again, it was a very boring drop. Really nothing exciting happened. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show y'all what I like. I'm gonna show y'all what I got and other shit that dropped that I really didn't care for to get or buy. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you all know, every week, let me fix mine. I feel like ET on I feel like ET Elliot. That's what I feel like right now with my human made blanket on. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So what I got is, all right, so what drop, I think this dropped today, so I'm just show y'all what dropped. Another human made heart tee in a gray colorway. Simple, nothing too exciting. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get to the goods, cause they just really dropped accessories and shit like that. So we're gonna get to the first batch of things that they dropped. So these are the accessories. They dropped this, I guess, Irene link duck. So this would go, I'm guessing, on the back of your cell phone. Yeah, that's what I think what it's for. Yeah, Irene link equipped with a slide function to allow wireless charging, and it combines convenience and stability with a 360 degrees rotation. Yeah, so basically just hold your phone up. You just put it on the back of your phone. That's about it. So they came with a white and black. So again, I wasn't really feeling this, and I think this is gonna sit for a while. If y'all, they'll probably sit for like 2 or 3 months, to be honest. So this is meh to me. Don't really care for it. So let's get to the next one. So the next good is the pill case. They dropped this, I think, last season, and I'm not mistaken, I think they dropped this. So yeah, they came with a green, like an olive, well, it's just a green, like a pine green and a baby blue. I guess a regular blue, baby blue. So basically, who used this? Like, I'm just wondering who used this. I'm just wondering who gonna use this. Not me. I really don't care for it. So this is another one they dropped, a pill case. You put your pills in, I guess. So the next item would be the crate, the baby blue crate, the 20 liter. I didn't get this colorway. Did I get this colorway? I can't remember. With my phone, I don't know. Did I? No, I got the gray one. So this one of the crates they dropped, the baby blue version. Nothing too exciting. A crate, of course, even because I got many of them. But this the one that I caught. I caught the gray one, and it's still in stock. So if y'all want to get it by the time this video, it should still be up by the time this video drop. So I got the gray version instead of baby blue. And my homie Passport Styles, I don't know if you want me to like just spoil it if y'all watch this video. He got the baby blue one, and I got the gray version of the crate. And he finally hit, cause he hit me up like, bro, I missed the drop by like 40 minutes, but I got the crates that I wanted. So yeah, my homie got his. My bad Passport that I just spoiled your damn video before you dropped it. But yeah, I got the gray one. More storage is gonna. I'm gonna buy more of these crates. So Yeah, and one last thing was this crate, the 50 liter pink one. This the one I copped as well. I copped this one because I need another big crate because I'm about to take out some stuff from my closet and put like my work short my work shirts, socks and boxers in. So I'm using my crates to put my clothes in, like, you know, boxers and socks. I'm just put my stuff in there. So I'm like, let me get more of these. I'm gonna buy more. And these things do come in handy. So I got the pink version. It looked more like a salmon, like a very light salmon instead of pink. But we'll see when we get it in. It may be a different color because photos can look different on the computer than in hand. But anyway, that's it. This is the video. This is all they dropped. Nothing too crazy. They still got some stuff up from week. What is this? Week 1, and they still got stuff up from week 2. So if y'all want to grab some stuff, go grab it while it's there. I'm pretty sure it'll still be there by the time this video drop. And yeah, that's it. Oh no! Did they? I know they restocked. Oh, okay, they gone. They restocked on the girls. They restocked on the Girls Don't Cry and the Human Made collab crates. They dropped those again, so they put them restocked back up. And they just put these. These so trash. Who gonna wear this? Like who? Who's seriously gonna wear this? It looks so stupid. Boxers, a boxer bag, like really? Anyway, that's stupid. I don't get it. But anyway, catch y'all next video. This is gonna be, I told you, gonna be a short one. Anyway, just like, comment, subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a good week. Got more videos coming. Sub collection video coming. The archive video is coming. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. I'll catch y'all next video. I'm out. Peace.